Hello Glamazons, it's me and this is going to be a little haul video. Let's just jump into it. I've got a bunch of stuff including jewelry, but here you can see these brand new glasses. I just bought them yesterday. They are baby pink with green reflective lenses and they're very pretty. Got lots of compliments on them and yeah, bought them literally yesterday. So again, I've been on a lot of business trips all over the place and stuff, so I picked up some random things. Here we have some salami made with rosé, so I thought that was pretty cool. Here I have some chocolates, and they are in the form of money. So you got 5s, 10s. I have another pack somewhere. There's like $100 bills and stuff in the other pack, but it's really cool. So I wasn't expecting them to taste like much, but they're actually very yummy. So yeah, these are just milk chocolate bars. So that was cool. Let's see, as I've gotten stuff all over my table. So I've picked up some Lavender Raw Honey, which I thought was nice. Again, have not tried this. So, Savannah Bee Company. I picked up some of this, Mike's Hot Honey. So it's honey infused with chilies. And again, if you've tried any of this stuff, let me know. Picked up some white rose tea. I've never seen white rose tea before, and it's organic, so that's pretty cool. I picked up some Brie Cheese to go with the salami. And again, this came from a store. The same store where the labradorite earrings came from is where this stuff has come from. I picked up some smoked paprika. It's a really cool store with products from around the world, so I kind of went crazy in there because I like that kind of stuff. This is Daily Beauty Tea, so blueberry lavender. So apparently this makes you more beautiful. We shall see. I picked up some spices. Now I've opened these and I've been using them, but this was cool. Like, I had never heard of it before. Turns out it's Ethiopian, I think. So, very cool. It is pretty tasty. It's different than what I'm used to being American, but I've tried it on chicken and on pork. It's pretty cool. And I've also picked up herbs de Provence, which is like French style. So it's got basil, thyme, lavender, fennel. Pretty cool stuff. You guys know that I like to cook, so yeah, I've tried this and I like it. Even though I'm not a huge fan of fennel, I really like it. Oops, as I knock things over. Also from there, I got this tote bag, which is massive, so you guys won't be able to see the whole thing. But yeah, I got this tote bag, and as you can see, it's got livestock on it. This was made in India, so it's got like geese, sheep, pigs, horses, chickens, and cows on it. And I just thought it was really cute. If you want to see it, go to Instagram. It's really massive. So, okay. Let me put this stuff down. That tote bag comes in so handy, guys. So handy. But, okay. Moving along, because I know you guys have come to see the jewelry and the jewelry related stuff. So, okay, so I went to an event and they were doing a demo on jewelry cleaner and I ended up purchasing it. So this is a metal polish, a professional metal polish, and you have to buy it with the spray that goes with it. Now, you can use this on cars and glasses and sunglasses and electronics and stuff, but you guys know I bought it for the sunglasses and for the jewelry. And oh my god, it works so well. I'll probably give you guys a demo video. I don't know if you can order this online. From what I've been told, you can't. But this works so good, guys. Like, it makes your jewelry just, oh my god, better than new, I swear. I was so sold that I bought it after one demo on the ring that I was wearing. And you can use it for pearls, emeralds, all of that. So I can't wait. They say this is a 1-year supply, but it's going to go in a couple months because I have a lot of jewelry and a lot of jewelry to clean. So, and apparently you can use this on costume jewelry too, but you can only use the spray on the costume jewelry. You can't use the metal polish. But guys, this stuff works better than the Tarnex that I bought, so I can't wait to use that. All right, next up, guys, what you're really here for is the jewelry. Let me see. I've been playing with this lamp. Like, I bought a lamp, and I swear sometimes it doesn't actually help, but okay. So, as you can see, the tags are still on this, and it's a rose quartz set. So here you have the stretch bracelet. Pretty stretch bracelet. And here is the necklace with the sterling silver extendable clasp. Beautiful rose quartz necklace, and I like the pink beading in between. So there, just make sure the camera's focused. Very, 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 very lovely. Again, rose quartz. Can't go wrong with that. Here I have, again, sterling silver adjustable clasp. This is a clear quartz strand. I don't know why. You see the sun just moved, so now I'm getting like shadows in the video. So sorry guys, but yeah, clear quartz. Beautiful clear quartz necklace. And look at the quality of the crystal quartz. Like, it just glows. It glows. And when you put it on the neck, it's so beautiful. Let me see something. See, it's really dark without that light. But okay. Up next, this is, oh, that tag. All right, this is a beautiful ring I bought from JTV, and you can see there's dust on it because it's been sitting here that long. So I'm gonna be cleaning everything with the magic bling. But yeah, it's a beautiful rose quartz. Smoky quartz, beautiful smoky quartz, quantum cut, and it's actually accented with little champagne diamonds around the frame. So it's huge, which you guys know I love a big ring, so very, very, very pretty. This was bought months ago, which is why there was dust on it, so you know how that goes when things sit here. Usually I don't wear things until I show them to you guys, but you know, so sometimes this stuff just sits here. Also from JTV, let me angle the camera up a little bit. Okay, so this beautiful set of jewelry, look at that. So you're looking at the ring and the pendant. I have not worn it besides trying it on. Look at this gemstone pendant. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Like, that is just absolutely gorgeous. Again, this was bought months ago, so sorry if it's unavailable. And here's the ring, which I bought from my other hand. But isn't that pretty? Look at that. Emeralds are one of my favorite gems, FYI. Just to give you guys a heads up. But yeah, that's a set from Also from JTV, this black Spinel ring. Look at that. Beautiful black Spinel ring. This was purchased back in January. If you guys watch JTV, you've probably seen it, which terrible news about JTV, they now charge sales tax, guys. Sales tax. Like, I can't even believe it. Like, oh my God. So, yeah. So that was purchased from JTV. I'm probably going to have to break this up into 2 videos, guys. So sorry. From JTV, I got this gorgeous moonstone ring. Look at that. In silver. Look at that moonstone. So beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Like, seriously, so pretty. You kind of, look at that. You can kind of see, look at the glow on that stone there. So that came from jtv.com. And all right, guys, you know what? I'm going to stop it here and I'm going to upload this and then we'll continue. I have a few more pieces of jewelry to show you guys, and that video should be a little bit shorter. I just don't want to run out of space on my iPhone. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll be right back. Bye, Glamazons.